Hey, what's up guys? Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about how to use Facebook Messenger Rooms from Instagram. And yes, that's possible now. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump into this. So I'm going to go to my Instagram. And by the way, I manage several different Instagrams and it's not available on all of my Instagrams. It's available on some of the accounts that I manage. So I am going to switch and go to one of the accounts that the feature is available at. So the first thing you want to do is make sure your Instagram account is connected to your Facebook business page and through your personal profile. So how do you do that? So click on these three bars, and then you want to go to settings, and then you want to go to account, and then go to linked accounts right here. And you see right here, it's already connected. So this is one of my client accounts. So it's connected to the Facebook page, and also it's connected through my profile. So that's your step number one. Make sure your Instagram is connected to your Facebook, because otherwise you won't see this option of launching or starting a Facebook Messenger room call from Instagram. Now when that's done, we're going to go back, and now it's super easy. Go to your home icon and go to the direct message icon right here, and now we are going to click on this icon right here, the video. So this is kind of like initiate the call, and boom, look at this right here. Send a link, create a room, send a link to video chat with anyone, even if they don't use Instagram. So when I'm going to click on that, and basically what this does is it's going to create a messenger room, and it's using my personal profile. And see, create a room as Ali Mirza. So it's using my personal profile on Facebook to create this messenger room. And I can, once this is created, I can invite people, I can have video calls with them, I can have meetings, I can do coaching calls, consulting calls. There's unlimited options. And you know, personally, I've been using Facebook Messenger rooms ever since they came out, and I do like them better than Zoom. I think it's so easy to initiate these calls, and you don't even need to be on Facebook or Instagram to participate in these calls. So that's the beauty, right? Now, let's click on create room, and then basically it's just going to open, and here you go. If you want to send to any of your friends, you can select those here. So let's say if I wanted to invite a couple of friends, I would just select their name, and I could invite them, or you can skip it. I'm going to skip it because you can also invite people by sending them the link. So for example, right here. So I didn't invite anyone initially, so I can copy the link and I can send them the link. So you have to, the other thing is you have to be in the room before others can join. So I'm going to join the room. And now here's the cool thing. So even though everything before now I was doing on Instagram, but now it's going to go to the Messenger. So you'll leave Instagram and continue in the Messenger. So I'm going to say, okay, open, and boom. So that's my room. So I am in my room right now, and obviously I didn't invite anyone. So I'll click on share link, and I can send it through WhatsApp, through messages, through email. And then once people join me, we'll be able to have the video call with them. So let me leave the room. Let's go back. So yeah, this is how you're able to start your Facebook Messenger room calls from Instagram. And I think it's very powerful. This tool, Facebook has launched this tool, and it's very powerful. You're able to start or initiate your Messenger room calls from Facebook Messenger on the desktop and mobile, from WhatsApp, and now from Instagram. So very powerful tool that we can use to grow our businesses, especially for someone like me. I do a lot of like coaching calls, consulting calls. I do a lot of like marketing mentorships. So we can use this video tools to really make that happen. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video, and leave your question in the comments below. Thanks again. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye for now.